What's up YouTube, Debonair Gamer here, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we are going to be opening up this box together, this box from Thursday Boots, to take a look at the boots inside, the black leather Explorer boot. So these are the boots. Again, they are the Explorer boot in the black leather colorway. This is really my first close look at these boots. I went to the Thursday Boots store here in New York City a couple of weeks ago, and I tried on one of the other pairs of boots there. I really liked how it felt, so I decided to go ahead and really, get a pair for myself and wear them and try to incorporate them into my wardrobe. I thought they were really comfortable. They looked really clean. As you can see, this boot right here, black leather, it's really smooth looking. It smells really nice. And if you don't really know about Thursday Boot as a company, it is a company that was founded here in New York City back in 2014 by two guys that were at the time going to Columbia Business School. They started off with a Kickstarter program, got some money, started making boot samples, managed to find a distributor and a manufacturer, and started hand making the boots. So they apparently ethically source all their leathers from here in the US, cattle that's been born and raised here in the US. I think that's really great. We're not getting some cheap materials from some other country that you don't even know where it's from. So it's really great to get these materials that we know the source of the materials. So we have this nice smooth leather. It looks like it'll age really well. You could polish it over time, or you could just let it go, let it get that worn in look. I think either way the boots will look really nice in a few years, as long as you're just taking decent care of them, maybe cleaning off the dirt every now and then. You really probably don't really have to worry about it too much. Apparently these boots are all handmade, as well as all the other shoe products from Thursday Boots. If you check out their website, you can see they have a ton of different styles and silhouettes, all types of boots, Chelsea boots, Jodhpur boots, other lace-up options. They have, of course, these more chunky looking combat style boots that sort of, to me, evoke the feeling of a mixture between an American combat boot and a Timberland work boot. But I like the look of it. They look really awesome. They look rugged. They look like they will fit well into the style aesthetic of the clothes that I like to wear. They'll look perfectly not out of place here in New York City, although you can wear whatever you want at any point in time, wherever you live. But yeah, these boots, as I said, have the ethically sourced leather. It smells really nice. They feel really nice. It'll probably age really well with not much effort going into taking care of it. They're handmade again, as I was saying. They have this sort of storm welt, they call it a storm welt, stitching of the sole onto the upper of the boot, and I think that means that you will be able to take off the sole and replace it over time if it gets really worn out or damaged. That'll give these boots a really long longevity. It'll stick around in your wardrobe for years and years as long as you are taking care of it decently. So far it looks like it's really well made, a lot of nice stitching. It's this black on black colorway. Again, there's that other colorway, it's the green olive suede. This one has these really high quality laces here. Apparently they have some type of Kevlar mix into them, so it'll be really, really tough to damage or tear or rip the laces. They have this sort of speed lacing system thing here. Well, I guess it's half regular eyelets, half speed lacing, so you just pull on the laces up here, it'll cinch to your foot really quickly so you can take your foot in and out of the boot easily. They're extremely comfortable. Again, I think the insole is made out of cork, so it molds to your foot over time. We have this Vibram outsole, I think that's how you pronounce it, Vibram, but it apparently gives you really good grip on various types of surfaces. But yeah, this is the Explorer boot with black leather. Extremely worth it in my opinion. The price point was $250. But yeah, that's enough talking about the boot. I'll show you how it looks like on foot. I'll show you what it looks like with a couple of different outfits. And yeah, let's get it. So yeah, thanks again for hanging with me today as I took my very first look at the black leather Explorer combat boot from Thursday Boots. I think it's an awesome boot to have. It is extremely comfortable. The leather looks and smells great. It'll age well over time. And I think that both this black leather colorway and the dark green olive suede colorway either would look great in your rotation during this fall and winter season. So let me know in the comment section below if you plan on picking up this boot or if there are some other boots that are out there in the market that you plan on getting. I would like to learn more about what other boot options there are out there, and maybe I'll get a pair and try them on for you all in the future. Anyway, this is Debonair Gamer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully I will catch you in the next one very soon. So until then, good game.